Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our English class. Yes, I hope you are all are wonderful. And so today we are going to start something new today. Oh, so you know what are we going to do today? Yes, this is Active English chapter 14. Right. I hope this online is a happy learning and you can learn any time at your own ease. So I request all the kids to watch the video till the end, and at the end of the video you will remove your active English book, open the page of chapter 14 and start writing the answer. Right? Okay, so our chapter 14 is, the question is, write replies like the first one. So in your active English book, the first one is already done for you. So what is the question? You just have to think and write. It is very easy, and those who write the answer and complete the chapter 14, you will get this card. Right, now let's see who writes the answer. And you can sit with your active English book also. And our first question is, the answer is already done for you in the book. Would you like a pen? So if your friend is asking, he is showing a pen and is asking you, would you like a pen? And the bracket is given, bought one. So you already have a pen, right? So what reply you will give? You will have to use this bracket, bought one. So you will say, no, thank you. I have just bought one. So we are going to use this no thank you for all the questions and just, right? So your friend is asking or somebody is asking, would you like a pen? Would you like a drink? Would you like to have a book? Yeah, something like that. So you say, no thank you. I just bought one. And do not forget that use the bracket. Number 2, would you like a drink? And the bracket is given, had one. Would you like a drink? Had one. No, thank you. I have just had one. Number 3, would you like an apple? Would you like an apple? Eaten one. No, thank you. I have just eaten one. I have just eaten one. Number 4, would you like some sweets? Bought some. No, thank you. I have just bought some. Do not forget to use this bracket. Would you like to read this newspaper? Would you like to read this newspaper? Read it. No, thank you. I have just read it. So what I have missed here? Read. So if you are going to write like this, I have just it, so your answer will go wrong. So whatever is given in the bracket, you have to use it. So here comes, no thank you, I have just read it. Right. So if you are going to miss any words also, it will be a wrong. So during your exam time, you have to be very careful while reading the options. So just to confuse you, they will give you the answer like this. No, thank you. I have just read. So you might think that all the words are there and the answer will be correct by seeing this no, thank you and just and it, so you will click the answer. So you have to be very conscious and check whether all words are there. So to confuse you, they may miss out some words. Now next we'll go to the next question. Write replies like the first one. So again, the first question, they have given the answer. Now the question is, okay, now the question is, have you done your homework yet? Have you done your homework yet? So answer is no. I have almost done it. Means you have not completed, but you are going to complete it. So you'll say no, I have almost done it. So it means you are going to just finish it. It is not yet finished, but you are going to finish it. You have not yet written, but you are just going to complete writing. Okay. So the second question is, have you written the letter yet? No, I have almost written it. No, I have almost written it. And number 3, have you finished the work yet? Answer is no, I have almost finished it. So whatever the verbs are there, you have to write it in the past tense, right? So have you finished the work yet? It is not yet finished, but you are going to finish it. Number 4, have you eaten the ice cream yet? No, I have almost eaten it. Means you're almost going to finish it. Okay. And our next question is, write short answers. So what is short answers? Yes, no. Okay. So let's enjoy this short answers and learn how to reply by giving the short answers. So short answers: has not, have not, so, and hasn't, and haven't. So you are going to use has not, hasn't. So if the question is has not, so your short form is hasn't. And for have not, and the short form is haven't. So has not, hasn't. Have not, haven't. So how do you pronounce this? Hasn't. How do you pronounce? Hasn't. And this haven't. Haven't. Okay. Now next one. Yes. So our short answers will be yes, he has, or yes, she has. So we have, if the boy is there, male person, so it is he, and the female means girl means she. Okay. So if in the bracket, if they have given no, so you will have to use no, he hasn't, or no, she hasn't. So along with the question, brackets will be given, and in the bracket, he or she, and yes or no. So he or she, you will get it from the question, and yes or no, you will see the bracket. If yes is there, yes, he or she has, or no, he hasn't or she hasn't. Okay. Now next one we have in the third person also. So yes, they have, or no, they haven't. Yes, we have, or no, we haven't. It's so simple. Let's practice the question now. Now here the question. Number 1. Now see the bracket, what to answer, yes or no. So yeah, has, he, has, she. So you have to very careful read the question properly. So number 1. Has he finished yet? So you are going to give the short answer. Yes, he has. So the long answer is yes, he has finished yet. Okay, no long answer. So our short answer will be yes, he has. And do not see the punctuation mark also. Number 2. Has she gone yet? Has she gone yet? And the bracket is given no. So your answer will be no, she hasn't. No, she hasn't. Because the question here is has. So hasn't. So in your options, they may give yes. Now can you tell me what is the mistake here? So in your option, they may give us no, she has. So what is your answer? If no is there, what I have told you? No, she hasn't. So this answer is wrong. So you have to click the answer properly. So you will write, so you have to see HASN apostrophe T. So this will be your right answer. So be careful while reading the option. Yes means he has. So when you find the no answer in the option, so it should be hasn't. It should be hasn't. No, she has is wrong. Okay. Now next one is number 3. Have they read it yet? Have they read it yet? Bracket yes. So yes, they have. So read the question. He, she, they, we, whatever is there, you have to use it. Yes, they have. So here no has question. We have question. Okay. Now number 4. Has he cleaned the blackboard yet? So bracket is given no. No, he hasn't. So here hasn't. So pay attention towards the no question. Pay attention towards the no question. It should be hasn't. So here it is has, so hasn't. If it is have, no, he haven't. Okay. So has means hasn't. Have means haven't. Number 5. So has she mentioned her dress yet? Yes. Has she mentioned her dress yet? So answer will be yes, she has. Yes, she has. Number 6. Have they cleaned the window yet? And the bracket is no. And here it is given have. No, they haven't. No, they haven't. But if your options are wrong, then you have to choose properly. And so what is the mistake here? Is the answers are correct? Yes, find out and tell me. Just now we discussed the answer. So what mistake? So you have to be very careful while selecting the answer. So what is the right answer? Yes, have they cleaned the window yet? So here, very good. So here it is have. So you will write no. Yes, she also, it is wrong. So here you will write no is given. So we will write here no, they haven't. Very good. No, they haven't. So apostrophe T and full stop. So you have to be very careful while choosing the correct option. So the question is, Have they? Question is, have they cleaned the window yet? So if it is given no, she has, it will be wrong. So the question here is they. So answer will be no, they haven't. So here have is there, so it should be haven't. If they is there, it should be they, right? If she or he is given, you will use he or she. So, and the next one is, so you are going to tell me the answer is right or wrong. Number 7. Have they climbed the hill yet? Have they climbed the hill yet? So answer is given yes. And number 8. Have we finished it? So here is have and we is given and no is given. I'll show you the answer and tell me whether it is correct or wrong. So the question is number 7. Have they climbed the hill yet? So here I've given yes, he have. Have we finished it? No. So here I've given no, we haven't. Now tell me the answer is right or wrong. Yes, what mistakes? So have they climbed the hill yet? So here they is there. So he is wrong. So you will write here T-H-E-Y. Very good. Okay. So yes, they have. So you have to be very careful while choosing the option. So all the answers look very similar. So I've seen in your exams you are choosing the answers, you are not reading the options properly and you are choosing the wrong answer. And number 8, have we finished it? No, we haven't. So this answer is correct, right? Now next we'll go to, yes, number 9. Have we started it? No, we haven't. Has Miss Rao marked the books? No, she hasn't. Now just tell me the answer is right or wrong. It's right, it's or incorrect. It is correct or incorrect. So have we started yet? No, we haven't. Yes, it is correct. Has Miss Rao. So Miss Rao is he or she? Yes, Miss means she. So has Miss Rao marked the books? No, it's given in the bracket. No, she hasn't. So this answer is also correct. So children, be very careful while choosing your option. Okay. Now, so assignment is given. So click the link and all the answers will be very similar. Minute mistake will be there. So choose the correct answer properly, complete it and then submit it. And complete your AE book also, children. So we have done a good job today and see you in the next class. Thank you.